Let me ask you a question. How many software services are you subscribed to right now? I did a count before this with a client. They were subscribed to 9 different services just to make their day-to-day function, not including the sometimes tools they use for projects here and there. Here's another question. Have you ever found yourself subscribing to more software offerings just so you can fully utilize the ones you already have? Yeah, it's a thing. It's SaaS Hell. Services designed to make your life easier trap you in a cycle of more services, more cost, more complexity, and less productivity. I'm not saying SaaS companies are bad. Actually, far from it. There are a ton of companies offering really good software services that are built to make businesses' lives easier. In the digital transformation field, these products are almost certainly in the cards. Hey, they help manage omni-channel communications. They'll improve customer journey, or they'll allow your operation to work anywhere, anytime. And that's awesome. Most of the time, digital transformation strategies include implementing these services. For many companies, especially companies in the small to mid-sized market, this tactic of strategically sourcing SaaS partners is often the best and most effective way to get the job done. But it comes with one major caveat, and that's strategy. Oftentimes, these services will try to impress you with the sheer scope of their functionality, the number of possible outputs they can accomplish. Be aware to not fall into this trap. The temptation to measure the success of digital transformation initiatives in the simple number of things done, possibilities unlocked, or outputs achieved is amplified by the sales motives of SaaS companies. However, it's not the number of things that they can do. It's the value of those things and the return on investment you get by implementing one of those solutions. Okay, for example, a CRM or a CDP may help digitize customer experience and simplify the sales process, but not if getting customers into the CRM requires hours and hours of admin time each week and maybe a new SaaS offering just to connect it to something else you already use. And worse, if its implementation simply means a sales team gets more leads, but it doesn't truly cultivate any more value on those leads or be more productive to the effort to get them, it may not be as successful as you think. If you find yourself in this dilemma, take a break to evaluate your technology. Living in a SaaS hell cycle is letting technology get in the way of your growth, not help it. I've linked one of our articles below. It's a humble case. 5 reasons why maybe custom software is actually the right version for your company. It might not have been 10 years ago, because digital transformations 10 years ago were taking custom software that had gone legacy and bringing it into a modern age. But the world of cloud computing has turned that on its head. And instead, we find ourselves in a situation where the very products that have capitalized on this amazing technology, that position themselves to make your lives better, are misaligned with the incentives that you have and the incentives that a sales team in a SaaS company that's venture-backed and growing has. They want more users, you want a better experience. The result is silos. Silos are for grain. They aren't for your software.